Bang! Neeves Knives. I'm Jared with my lovely wife, Kara.
Hello.
And today we have something very special for you guys. As you can see in the thumbnail, I want to give a huge thank you to Acuminous Edge for sending this. But first, I want to say that the Freeman knife, we had a first impressions on it and it got deleted, so there's nothing we can do about it. And there's a very, very good review coming up on this. I can't wait for it because I absolutely love this knife. This is, it was a great first impressions. Yes, baby.
You know, we deleted the CRKT first impressions too. What's our problem?
That one we didn't know wasn't running. The thing was supposed to be.
It's essentially the same. We have a
it
bad
just wasn't.
luck.
It wasn't recording. That's different. This we actually had the first impressions and it got deleted.
True.
We're rookies. What can we say? But listen, this is going to have a very good review because Sharp Spot was very generous to us, and I can't even explain my gratitude. We are so thankful, and this knife, I absolutely love this knife. This thing's getting a really good review, so watch out for the review on the Freeman. But let's get to the Microtech.
Wait, can I say one thing? Really quick. Really
Baby,
quick. Super quick.
I'm like
super quick.
freaking out here.
Super quick.
What?
Not to talk about the Freeman more, but just to keep everybody hyped on the review, I will say this is probably the first big knife that I love.
You couldn't have said that faster?
No, it had to be drawn
we are getting
out.
to this. I've been waiting for this all day, and not just that. I've been waiting for this knife for a long time. I chased her around for weeks, making her listen to the action that other people would have on their reviews or whatever. You know, like I'd make her listen to that. And like, listen to it. Just listen to it. We got to get it. And now I finally got it in hand, and I'm talking about it and not checking it out. So here
Can
it
I
goes.
move the camera down?
This is my first time opening up a Microtech box.
Can I move the camera down? I won't pause it. Don't they want to see the knife, not your face?
No, they want to see my face. So I'm pulling it out. I'm pulling it out.
Okay.
They don't care about the box. We'll do that in the review because we are going to do a review. We also have another one coming. Oh, just hang on a second. I'll explain it all in just 1 second. Just hang on.
Just have your moment.
Ooh.
You're still on camera, sweetheart. There are people watching and you're...
Sorry. Oh!
I want to say something so inappropriate right now about what it sounds like you just did.
Oh my god, it's so great. That thumb action, it's not an auto. This one's not an auto. I just want to say we do have another one coming, which is even cooler. We are going to match up the auto version of this and the manual version, which is this one. This thing, just a couple more times, baby. Just give me 1 second.
No,
oh, it feels almost like what when I think of like a trigger pull when the hammer and the excuse me, yeah, when when it goes back, and recocks the hammer. I can't even think right now words.
Let me hold it so you can think of your words.
Okay.
My hands are wet from ice cream.
Well, don't do that. Wipe your hands off. Don't do that.
This one isn't. I know that, so I said it and I noticed it because I was like, uh-oh. That was such a weak flip. Sorry. I'm all wonky here. Let me scoot. Ooh. Oh. I always thought... Let me wipe my hand off. Okay. I always thought that this part right here was going to be...
It comes in different ways.
Okay, well, I'm just saying, like, the way it always looked, I always pictured it being like sandpaper. It's not.
It's like rubber.
Yeah, it reminds me of, like, crushed up tires, but then, like, hardened or something.
Yeah, it also comes in eel, or, wait, no, stingray.
That liner is so easy.
Stingray, yeah, it comes in stingray.
I never expected it to be that easy, just the way...
It's a stingray or eel.
What is? The bumpies?
Well, they have other ones. This comes in a couple different configurations.
And that wasn't ice cream on my hand, it was condensation.
I know, I know.
Condensation.
This thing just feels... Oh, I love that. It's like it's got recoil, and like the brake when you use the thumb stud, it's like you're pushing, and then just the brake from it.
Can I say something upsetting to you?
What?
I'm not that huge on it.
Well, I didn't think you were gonna be. This is not a knife I would imagine you'd be very excited about.
Part of my excitement about
even when I
knives...
showed you, when I was letting you listen to it, you were like, eh.
Well, okay. Let me explain. Part of my thing with knives is like... Some of it to
Got a
me,
good edge.
and this is not because I'm female. Some of it to me is like, I have to like the way it looks too. And I just, that sandpapery stuff, I don't know.
This is a
don't know.
factory edge on it.
Maybe by the time we do the review, I'll have had some time with it. Because sometimes it takes time to learn why you love something. You're not listening. You're somewhere else right now.
I'm sorry, baby.
Maybe they were listening to me.
Yeah, they were.
No, they
this
weren't.
looks like a T12 or something on the pivot. And then the rest looks like T6s.
I'm pouring
That's
my heart
kinda
out
weird.
to you, and you're thinking of T12s.
T8s on the clip, but around the outside is like T6s. That's a little weird to me, but then it's got such a big pivot. Anyways, this is not the review. This thing is amazing. I love it. Thank you so much. Acuminous Edge. I always want to say Acuminous, but
I
Acuminous
think
Edge.
it in all different ways.
We actually looked up how to
The
pronounce it. Yeah,
pronunciation.
the pronunciation. It's amazing.
And the definition. It means to judge something well.
And we got one more come. Let's see if I can middle finger it. Oh, got
You
it.
use so much wrist.
Yeah, I did.
You're not even in frame barely.
Oh, I'm not? Okay.
That's half wristy, but we'll let it slide.
Very nice. Centered. Look at this blade stock. Oh my god, it's so thick. I feel like
I wish they made a tiny
I
version.
feel like I could pry a door open.
It's not even because it's big. It's because
I think.
there's something about the style for me. I don't know.
Yeah, I wouldn't expect you to.
You
to
know
be
my style.
I know your style, and I wouldn't expect this to be
My style.
one of them. No, but like I said, we do have the other one coming. We are going to compare
like
the two. And what do you guys think about this? Check this out.
I was gonna say I like the Freeman.
What do you think about that? This would be such a badass standoff because this is a hard hitting knife. Let me tell you, this knife is like the perfect definition of what I think of a hard use knife. I mean, it's like a T10 on the pivot, T8s all the way around. It's just rock solid. Like this is the type, like just like this knife too. When you go like this, you don't feel no play. Like it feels like kind of like you're trying to bend a pry bar. Same thing with this. I mean, this thing is just locked up so strong. It is a button lock, and it has many different ways of deployment. I'm not doing the review right now, but this would be a very, very good, not comparison, but just a battle to the death. Slicey dicey would say. So yeah. Thank you guys for checking this out. Give us a thumbs up if you want to see the battle. So, if we don't get a thumbs up, the battle will not happen.
Give us a
Maybe.
thumbs down if you think I suck for not liking this knife. All right.
Don't! Everybody's gonna give us a thumbs down now.
Give us a thumbs up if you think I suck.
If you give us a thumbs down, make sure you tell us why. Thank you.
All right. Peace out. Thank you.